What's up, guys? We got some tuner cars today. A little bit of retro with the 2001 first editions, and it's a Honda Civic SI, and then we got a Honda Civic Custom. Let's start with the retro one. Push that back just a little bit, because this will go perfect with my Honda Civic collection. So that's really nice. What does that say? Hotwheels, of course. Nice faux sunroof. Got something going on in the back window. Nice wheels. Nice paint job. Little design. Something going on underneath. Going with the Honda Civic collection. Have you seen it before? Then we got a 73 Honda Civic Custom. Another nice one. Beautiful wheels. That's going to go with that one that I just did. That's really nice. Very nice. Look at that. Sweet. Nice spoiler right there. It's a clear spoiler, too. Underneath, a little interesting. The other side, yeah, you got a blue stripe right there. Can you see that, guys? That is sweet. Very nice retro and modern Honda Civics. Thank you for watching.